Well, I need to write a physician letter for Mr. Anderson. In order to do that, I would select him, bring him resident into the database, click on Form Letters. In the Form Letters area here, I can add in different templates. If we go look at a couple that are in here, for example, we have a physician letter, and this is the kind of the framework for it. And these different areas here, dear Dr. Salutation, Dr. Last Name, will get filled in as we complete the letter. So let's just click on, first off, the physician of the patient. So let's say it's this. This is fictitious here, but let's say it's Dr. George Michaels. Our audiogram date was the May 4th, and our appointment date was May 4th, and let's select physician letter, and it's going to tell us that the last hearing test that we have on file for this patient was on the 4th of May, and that this is going to be used for the audiometric information in the form letter. And here you can see that everything from our SOAP notes has been brought forward and filled in. So if you do your SOAP notes actually appropriately and detailed, it'll pull it all into here, and basically your letter for your doctor is done, and done professionally, quickly. We can print and save the letter here, and it'll print it out for the physician. On the back side will come in the tabular audiometric results, and then any of the other stuff that you put into your SOAP notes that have to do with what you've done with that patient. So the very easy way, if you do and use the appointment outcome SOAP notes area, that you can create form letters and professional form letters very, very quickly. So this, we have printed this and saved this. Right now we can see down here in this in the list that's saved and printed, we could reprint that just by clicking on and hit reprint, at some other date, and it'll reprint that letter for us. Also, if we go to the events area, now we see that letter has been brought forward as a completed event. So we can have a copy of that letter and what went to the doctor.